Power off your Shockwave unit and disconnect the applicator. Use the universal wrench found in the applicator box to loosen the transmitter holder. Remove it along with the transmitter. Using the hexagon side of the universal wrench, loosen, then pull out the shell from the applicator. Use the magnetic stick found in the applicator box to remove the projectile from the applicator. Pull the tube out of the shell. Remove both red covers from the extremities of the new tube. Place the new silicone gasket on the tube. Do not reuse the old one. Place the new tube back into the shell and ensure the silicone gasket is tightly secured to it. Place the new projectile into the tube. Insert the shell back into the applicator. Tighten the shell using the hexagon side of the universal wrench. Place the transmitter back onto the shell. Place the transmitter holder back onto the transmitter. Hand tighten the holder, then securely tighten the last turns with the universal wrench. With the arrows aligned, reconnect the applicator and power on the unit. To reset your shot count for the new revision kit, press Settings, then Applicators, then Applicator Kit Replacement Guide, then enter the serial number of the new revision kit. Press Shocks Counter to see total shocks administered and new shell shocks, which is reset to 0. For more information, please visit orthocanada.com.